Changing the email link to your Etsy account is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email quickly. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Before changing your settings, use the Etsy.com link in the description to open the password strict checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Email Preferences. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Email section. Click on it to view your current email address and options to change it. Step 4. Update your email address. Enter your new email address in the provided field. Make sure to double-check for any typos to ensure it is correct. Step 5. Confirm changes. After entering your new email, Etsy will likely send a confirmation email to the new address. Check your inbox and follow the instructions in the email to finalize the change. Once you've completed these steps, your Etsy account will be linked to your new email address. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Etsy support for assistance.